it mostly prevalent in the film industry, in the actors and the actresses and the models. Like if you criticize them about their personality, about their outfits, about their character, they become angry and defensive when their behavior is questioned, and they often target the spiritual people. They think like you cannot have the luxurious things, and like they behave like a psychopath. No, they come to the the spiritual person. They take, I want to change my behavior, like I want to take the sannyasa, and again when they get bored they rejoin their the real life. So, and they have a tendency to the blame others for their mistakes. Mostly they blame their parents. So women and the man both can use the flattery words. They can give you the monetary benefits or emotional pressure, and they will make you feel like guilty, to get what they want in their life. So कुछ women's भी होती है, मेंस भी होते हैं, वो आपको guilt feel कराएंगे कि you have done the mistakes, and they will give you the monetary benefits, like in form of the dowry or in form of the gifts, like you come to me, you leave this man and you leave that women and the man. So these are the people who destroy the marital relationships. So be aware with the narcissistic person. They overemphasize the power, status, money, and achievements. They do not praise the other achievements and the other accomplishments. They just want to hear their own praise. They do not admire others. They want to seek the respect. They call me G, call me up, like that. Pride is good. The good pride, the good ego is good. But in the excessive manner, in the aggressive and arrogantly, when you criticize others, when you demand from others, that is a very bad thing. So, the understanding the narcissistic behavior can help you to build a healthier relationship, and the set the appropriate boundaries and communicate the more effectively. So, to watch the full session, please go into my playlist and watch the narcissistic video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand the narcissistic behavior